Hello tech people, it's ITGeekBoy here. Today we're going to learn how to reset a MIkrotik router in a proper way where you didn't get any default configuration. First, you can do it two ways. First, here is system reset. Click on no default configuration, then reset. Say yes. It will completely reset your MIkrotik router without default configuration. Another one is you can go to new terminal, just type system reset and no default, say yes, like yes, dangerous reset anyways. If you press Y, it will reset your router. Just going to press Y and it will reset. No default configuration will be MIkrotik router. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks everyone.